students, welcome to your biology class. Today we will discuss about nutrition in higher animals, that is human beings. So today we will discuss about digestive system of human. Digestive system of human is divided into two parts. One is alimentary canal and it is also known as gut or food canal. And second is our digestive glands. So we will discuss one by one both parts. The digestive tract, that is alimentary canal, it is a long muscular tube with many sections and areas. It begins with mouth and ends with anus. So it is also a complete structure. Its length is about 8 to 10 meters. It is a highly coiled tube-like structure. It is comprises of 8 parts: mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Now we will discuss all these parts one by one. Before this, we will discuss about digestive system's accessory structures, that is liver, gallbladder, pancreas, gastric juices and intestinal juices. These also we will discuss later. Now we will discuss parts of alimentary canal. First is our oral cavity, that is mouth. It is surrounded by two movable soft organs called lips. Buccal cavity, it is bounded on the upper side by palate and lower side by thorax and later walls formed by the jaws. It also bears tongue and teeth. Teeth are the small calcified hard whitish structure found in the mouth for mechanically breaking down items of food by cutting and crushing them. They are among the most distinct feature of mammals. These are present in both the jaws of man are embedded in the socket of jaw bones. In man there are 32 teeth and are of 4 types. Tongue is a thick muscular structure present on the floor of buccal cavity. It is occupied with taste bud. It helps in tasting of food and mix food and saliva and helps to lubricate the food. The next part of alimentary canal is a funnel-shaped part where the food and air passages cross each other. Next part of alimentary canal is esophagus, that is also called as food pipe. It is a long, narrow tubular structure. In the esophagus, the bolus is moved along by the wave-like muscular contraction called peristalsis. For a medium-sized bolus, it takes about 5 to 8 seconds to reach the stomach. Next part of alimentary canal is stomach. It is a thick muscular J-shaped sac present on the left side of upper part of abdomen. It helps in the mechanical churning and chemical digestion of food. It also stores food. The muscular wall of the stomach helps in mixing of food and gastric juices. Next part of alimentary canal is small intestine. It is a long, narrow tube, coiled structure and about 6 meters in length. It is approximately 2.5 to 3 meters in diameter. It is divided into 3 parts. One is duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Duodenum is the anterior part of the small intestine. Jejunum is the middle part and ileum is the last part of the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest section of the alimentary canal and it is a major organ of digestion and absorption. Large intestine, at the end of the ileum, a muscular structure controls the release of undigested material into the first part of the large intestine and about 5 to 12 hours. Large intestine is the large part of the digestive system. Its function is to absorb body water from the matter and then to pass useless waste material from the body. It is larger in diameter but shorter than the small intestine. Its function is to absorb water and electrolytes from the chyme to form solid phases. Second, storage of fecal matter till a convenient time. And it harbours bacteria that synthesized vitamin K. It is the most distal segment of the intestine and has an important role as a temporary store of phases. Now we will discuss about digestive gland. First, salivary gland. In men, there are 3 pairs of salivary glands. These secrete saliva which contain a digestive enzyme called ptyalin or salivary amylase. Salivary ducts open in buccal cavity. Saliva is a complex fluid produced by the salivary glands. Gastric glands. The gastric glands that line the inside of stomach release gastric juices. Gastric juice is a combination of acetyl acid and pepsin. Pepsin is a digestive enzyme produced by the stomach. It breaks down proteins. Function of hydrochloric acid. It acidifies the food and stops the action of salivary amylase. It kills ingested microbes. It provides the acidic environment needed for the action of pepsin. Next gland is liver. The liver is the largest internal body organ and it is of reddish brown color. It is the largest gland of body and largest organ apart from the skin. It weighs about 1.5 kg. It is present on the right side of upper part of abdomen. It secretes bile juice. Bile is a bitter tasting dark green to yellowish brown fluid produced by the liver. It is stored in the gallbladder and upon eating it is discharged into the duodenum. Gallbladder stores bile that it excretes into the small intestine to aid in the digestion of fats. The gallbladder stores bile that is created by the liver. Before a meal, the gallbladder is full and about the size of a pear. After a meal, it is empty and flat like a deflated balloon. The gallbladder is not essential and people can live without it. Next gland is pancreas. Pancreas is a soft, finely lobulated, elongated exoendocrine gland. The exocrine part excretes the pancreatic juice while the endocrine part secretes the hormone called insulin. The pancreas is formed of a Greek word pan and creas. Pan means all, creas means flesh. So pancreas name because of its fleshy appearance. The pancreatic juice help in the digestion of lipids, carbohydrates and proteins. These lie in the wall of the small intestine and secrete intestinal juices. This is all about your digestive system. Thanks and have a